I dreamt about a place where the earth touches the sky and the clouds embrace the mountains. About a place where the rocks wake up dressed in golden and grow rounded by the day. A place where the valleys are deeper than love, where the plains are at the top, and from where the rivers are born. A place in the center of a country, in the heart of a mountain, in the soul of a shepherd. That place does exist. That place is Manteigas. I left after her. I walked through green tracks. I found her beauty scaled in a photograph and her faith carved in the granite. I came across a mountain, which is not only mountain, it is adventure, it is energy, it is life at every breath. I took her waterfall shape. I ran as fast as I could. I rode harder than ever to see her in the skies, flying higher, farther, then sliding in her track, crossing my life in an exhibition at the edge of the waters, diving in the rush of passion. Who slipped away from me in a bend of the river, with the cornfields in her hands, the wind in her face. In the cottage, I saw her change herself, from the purest wool to the most colorful end. I peeped. I climbed up again to look for her. At dusk, I found her. I felt her. She was there, next to me. After all, she had been with me all day. I fell in love naturally. Today, my life is sure about one thing: Manteigas, worth for her nature.